Hello students, today we will start another topic of S block element, and that is group 2 elements. In this topic we are going to study about the physical and chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Now the alkaline earth metal is basically the group 2 element in which the electron enter in the in s block or s orbital, and the general electronic configuration becomes s2. This group consists of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. All of these elements are known as alkaline earth metals except beryllium, because rest of the members, or because the except beryllium, all members are alkaline in nature, means dissolved in water easily, as well as they exist in the earth crust. The first element, beryllium, that differs from rest of the members of the group, as we have already discussed the reason behind it, that because there is absence of d orbital because of the presence of high electronegative, and due to small size of beryllium comparatively to rest of the members, as well as this element shows a diagonal relationship with aluminium also. Now these metals have increased cationic charges, and their ionic size as well as their atomic size is also reduced. If we are talking about the electronic configuration and atomic ionic radii of alkaline earth metals, so these elements, as I have already told you, have 2 electrons in the s orbital, and that's why the general electronic configuration is noble gas into Ns2, whereas in alkali metals the general electronic configuration was noble gas into Ns1. So we are going to talk about that, like beryllium is having outermost configuration 2s2, magnesium 3s2, calcium, as you can see here, it is 4s2, strontium 5s2, barium is 6s2, or we can say the complete electronic configuration is of barium, xenon 6s2, and radium is radon 7s2. बेटा जैसा मैंने आपको पहले कहा है कि atomic and ionic radii alkaline earth metal में are comparatively smaller than corresponding alkali metals, because when we move from left to right in the periodic table, the atomic and ionic radii that goes on decreasing due to increase in nuclear charge in the same period. Whereas within the group, if we move down in a group, the atomic and ionic radii that goes on increasing with increase in atomic number. The another one property, if we are talking about the alkaline earth metals, that is ionization enthalpy and its hydration enthalpies. So one by one, we are going to discuss about these two properties of alkaline earth metals. And alkaline earth metals also have low ionization enthalpy, and reason is very simple one, because they have only the 2 electron in their outermost shell, which are readily to lose, and as well as their large size of atoms also is responsible for their low ionization enthalpy, and atomic size that goes on increases down the group, and from that we can say that ionization enthalpy, due to increase in their atomic size, that goes on decreasing. Okay. Whereas if we are talking about the first ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metal as compared to the alkali metals, so that will be higher क्योंकि इनके पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं जबकि alkali metals के पास सिर्फ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है, as well as इनका साइज भी जो होता है alkaline earth metals का comparatively to the corresponding alkali metals से छोटा होता है. And if we are talking about the second ionization enthalpy, so second ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metals, that is smaller than corresponding alkali metal. Now, if we are talking about the hydration enthalpy, okay, so hydration enthalpy is the energy which is required to associate any metal with water. Yeah, when a metal dissolved in water, then the enthalpy which is required, that is known as hydration enthalpy, and which goes on decreasing with increase in ionic size beta. And that's why just have a look on this trend, and that is beryllium 2 positive hydration enthalpy, because of its very small size, is maximum comparatively to the rest of the ions present in the same one group. Jabki barium, which is the last one metal ion present in the same one group, that will be the highest one. Okay, so beryllium highest, and it goes on decreasing as we move down in a group. Here you can also see that hydration enthalpy of alkaline earth metals ions are larger than those of alkali metal ions. ठीक है, next आ जाता है another one. We are going to talk about the physical properties. Now, as the physical properties of alkali earth metals are also resemble to the alkaline earth metal, these metals are also silvery, white, lustrous, relatively soft, but comparatively to the alkali metal, these are harder. और जहां पर कि हम बात करें so magnesium ribbon, all of you must have seen, it is somewhat grayish in appearance wise. Melting and boiling point of these metals are higher than the corresponding alkali metal. And why their melting and boiling point is higher? Due to a smaller size. Because of the size, it is melting and boiling point is higher, and because of the low ionization enthalpy, these are strongly electropositive in nature, and electropositive character that increases as we move down in the group from beryllium to barium. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इनके पास भी एक करेक्टरिस्टिक प्रॉपर्टी होती है that इनके lower members जो होते हैं like calcium, strontium, barium, these also impart flame coloration. ठीक है, या हमने जैसे लास्ट alkali metals के साथ किया था that when we bring or heat up these elements in the presence of a Bunsen burner flame, then they impart particular flame coloration like calcium brick red, strontium crimson, and barium gives apple green color respectively to the flame. And it is also used to detect these metal in qualitative analysis. And the reason of showing or imparting this characteristic flame coloration, the same that these have presence of a extra electron in their valence shell, and when these electrons absorb energy from a Bunsen burner, they just jump from ground level to the higher energy level, and when they come back or return back from higher to the ground level, then they impart a particular visible range of radiations. ठीक है? That is the another one. Next one, beta, if we are talking about, so chemical property is there, and in this one अगर हम बात करते हैं, so the first property same as we discussed in case of alkali metal, that is reactivity towards air and water. So you should know that beryllium and magnesium, these are inert in nature when they come in the contact of oxygen or water, because they form a very thin layer of oxide on their surface, or which prevent them further reaction with oxygen and water. But अगर हम बात करें powdered beryllium की, so yes, it burns brilliantly on in ignition in air and give beryllium oxide and beryllium nitride. Similarly, magnesium, which is more electropositive in nature, so it also gives dazzling brilliance in presence of air to give magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride. बिल्कुल that is the another one is the reactivity toward the halogens. Now, all the alkaline earth metals that combines with halogens and forms, just 1 minute, that is that these combines with halogens and forms metal halides, and the reaction will be like this, that for example beryllium plus chlorine gives beryllium chloride, or magnesium reacts with bromine, so gives magnesium bromide, etc. And एक reaction इसमें और important है बेटा, you have to go through your NCERT also. The thermal decomposition of ammonium beryllium fluoride is the best route for the preparation of beryllium fluoride. जबकि beryllium chloride जो है वो oxide से भी prepare किया जा सकता है. Now, another one important chemical property of alkaline earth metal is that when they react with hydrogen, they form hydrides. Except beryllium, they combine with hydrogen on heating and form hydrides. Rest all the members of the alkaline earth metal, when combines with hydrogen, then at a certain temperature or at a high temperature, then they form hydrides, whereas beryllium hydride can be prepared by reaction of beryllium chloride with lithium aluminium hydride. If we are talking about the reaction of alkaline earth metal with acids, then they readily react with acids and form salt with dihydrogen gas. So metals, as you can see here in the reaction, metal when react with HCl, they form metal chloride and hydrogen gas, जैसे कि beryllium HCl के साथ करेगा, beryllium chloride plus H2 बनाएगा, magnesium. If it reacts with HCl, then it forms magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Next one, we are talking about the reducing nature of the alkaline metal. So obviously they have two electrons in their outermost shell or in their valence shell, which they want to lose, or which they can readily lose. So that's why the alkaline earth metals are strong reducing agents. Whereas if we are talking or compare the reducing power of alkaline and alkali metals, then definitely alkali metals are stronger reducing agent comparatively to the alkaline earth metals. जहां पर अगर हम बात करते हैं फर्स्ट मेंबर की, बेरिलियम, so it is having a less negative value as compared to the other alkaline earth metals. And if we are talking about its reducing nature, so it is because of its large hydration enthalpy, which is because of small size of beryllium 2 positive ion, and as well as large value of atomization enthalpy of metal. Now, last property, chemical property of alkaline earth metal is a solution in liquid ammonia. So बिल्कुल बेटा जैसे alkali metals liquid ammonia में blue color का solution देते हैं because of the presence of ammoniated electron. Similarly, the alkaline earth metals also dissolves in liquid ammonia and give deep blue black solutions forming ammoniated ions. ठीक है बच्चा. Now the last one topic is uses of alkaline earth metal. So beryllium is used in the manufacture of alloys. जैसे कि कॉपर बेरिलियम की बात की जाती है तो ये स्प्रिंग्स बनाने के लिए यूज होता है. If we are talking about metallic beryllium, so it is used for making X-ray tubes, and magnesium forms alloys when they combine with aluminium, zinc or manganese or tin. और अगर हम बात करते हैं magnesium aluminium alloys, so they are light in mass or weight we can say, and that's why these alloys are usually used to aircraft constructions. Whereas magnesium का जो powder और ribbon होता है, that is used in flash powders, bulbs, incendiary bombs as well as signals. बेटा जो दिवाली में crackers use किए जाते हैं, in that also we are using your magnesium powder. Whereas if we are talking about the suspension of magnesium hydroxide, so it is also known as a milk of magnesia, and it is used as an antacid in medicines. Whereas if we are talking about the magnesium carbonate, so magnesium carbonate is a very important constituent of toothpaste. If we are talking about the calcium, so calcium के तो बहुत सारे uses होते हैं, and calcium is also used in extraction of metals. अगर हम बात करें इसके last member की, so radium is a radioactive element, and that's why radium salts are used in radiotherapy, that is in the treatment of cancer. Okay.